Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're someone who loves gadgets, tech, and making your home smarter, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the top 10 coolest home gadgets on Amazon that will totally level up your space. Whether you're into convenience, security, or just plain cool tech, I got something for you. You can buy these gadgets from the links that are given in the description below. So grab some popcorn and let's jump right in. 10. Echo Show 8. The Echo Show 8 is a versatile smart display device from Amazon designed to offer both convenience and entertainment in one compact package. Featuring an 8-inch HD touchscreen, it enables users to interact with Alexa through voice commands, making it easy to manage daily tasks, control smart home devices, or get answers to questions. With its vibrant display, the Echo Show 8 is perfect for watching videos, checking weather updates, or displaying photos from Amazon Photos or other linked services. One of the standout features of the Echo Show 8 is its ability to video call friends and family via Zoom or Alexa to Alexa calls, thanks to its built-in camera. 9. Netgear Arlo Pro 2. The Netgear Arlo Pro 2 is a high-definition wireless security camera system designed for home or business surveillance. Offering 1080p video resolution, it delivers clear and detailed footage, ensuring users can monitor their property with ease. One of the standout features of the Arlo Pro 2 is its flexibility. The cameras are completely wire-free, powered by rechargeable batteries that can last up to 6 months on a single charge, making installation and maintenance relatively simple. With the ability to operate indoors and outdoors, it is equipped with weatherproofing to withstand the elements. The Arlo Pro 2 also offers two-way audio, allowing users to listen and speak through the camera, enhancing security by enabling direct communication with visitors or intruders. Motion detection is highly customizable, and users can set activity zones to focus on specific areas. 8. Kohler Smart Shower. The Kohler Smart Shower is a cutting-edge shower system that combines technology with luxury to deliver a personalized and enhanced shower experience. Using the Kohler Connect app or voice commands through Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, users can control various aspects of the shower, including water temperature, flow rate, and spray patterns, all without the need to physically adjust knobs or handles. This intuitive system allows for preset preferences, so you can customize your shower to your ideal conditions every time. The app also provides real-time water usage information, helping you conserve water and stay within your desired limits. One of the standout features of the Kohler Smart Shower is its ability to sync with other Kohler Smart products, creating a fully integrated smart bathroom ecosystem. 7. Abode Home Security Starter Kit. The Abode Home Security Starter Kit is a comprehensive and customizable solution designed to provide robust protection for your home. It includes everything needed to get started with a smart security system, featuring a base station, door/window sensors, a motion detector, and a key fob for convenient control. The system is known for its flexibility, as it can be easily expanded with additional sensors, cameras, and smart home devices. Abode is also highly compatible with popular third-party platforms like Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, and Apple HomeKit, allowing for seamless integration with your existing smart home setup. 6. Nomad USB Hub. The Nomad USB Hub is a sleek and versatile accessory designed to expand your device's connectivity options while maintaining a stylish, minimalist aesthetic. Ideal for users with laptops or other devices that have limited USB ports, the Nomad USB Hub provides multiple additional ports for connecting peripherals like hard drives, keyboards, mice, and other accessories. The hub typically features a combination of USB-A and USB-C ports, accommodating a wide range of devices and ensuring that users can easily connect and transfer data. What sets the Nomad USB Hub apart from other hubs is its premium design and durable construction. Made with high-quality materials, often including rugged aluminum or leather accents, it blends seamlessly with modern tech setups. 5. Native Union Dock Wireless Charger Stand. The Native Union Dock Wireless Charger Stand is a premium, stylish charging solution designed to deliver both functionality and aesthetics. Combining high-quality materials with cutting-edge wireless charging technology, this charging stand allows users to power their devices effortlessly while keeping them upright and accessible. It supports Qi wireless charging, offering up to 10W fast charging for compatible smartphones, including iPhones, Samsung Galaxy models, and other Qi-enabled devices. The stand is designed to hold your phone in a comfortable viewing angle, making it ideal for hands-free use while charging, whether you're watching videos, attending calls, or reading notifications. 4. Portable Theater System Sony HT-AX7. The Sony HT-AX7 Portable Theater System is a versatile and innovative sound system designed to bring the cinema experience into your home or on the go. This portable, wireless speaker system delivers immersive, high-quality audio with a sleek, compact design that can easily fit into any living space or be taken with you wherever you go. With 360 reality audio technology, the HT-AX7 creates a dynamic sound field that surrounds the listener, making it perfect for movie nights, gaming, or music sessions. The system supports both Bluetooth and wired connections, giving you flexibility when connecting to various devices such as your TV, smartphone, or tablet. Whether you're streaming movies or playing games, the HT-AX7 ensures rich, clear sound with deep bass and crisp highs, offering a truly cinematic experience. 3. Kiin Smart Door Lock. The Kiin Smart Door Lock is an advanced, secure, and convenient solution for modern home security. This cutting-edge smart lock combines the latest technology with sleek design to provide an enhanced user experience. Offering multiple entry methods, including fingerprint recognition, keypads, RFID cards, and smartphone connectivity, it ensures that homeowners have seamless access without the need for traditional keys. With built-in Bluetooth, users can unlock the door remotely via their mobile app, providing both flexibility and peace of mind. The Kiin Smart Door Lock also boasts robust security features, including auto-lock functionality, tamper alerts, and an emergency backup key option in case of power failure. Its real-time tracking capabilities allow users to monitor who enters and exits their home, making it ideal for families, businesses, or rental properties. 2. Byrna EP Launcher. The Byrna EP Launcher is a powerful, non-lethal self-defense tool designed for personal protection, offering an alternative to traditional firearms. This innovative launcher uses a CO2-powered system to fire a variety of projectiles, including pepper balls, kinetic impact projectiles, and rubber balls, making it an effective means of deterring threats while minimizing the risk of serious injury. The Byrna EP Launcher is compact, lightweight, and easy to use. 1. Vizco Electronic Air Blower. The Vizco Electronic Air Blower is a high-performance cleaning tool designed to help photographers, videographers, and electronics enthusiasts keep their equipment spotless and freed from dust and debris. Unlike traditional air blowers that rely on squeezing rubber bulbs, the Vizco Electronic Air Blower uses a powerful battery-operated motor to generate a consistent stream of air, providing a more efficient and controlled cleaning experience. This makes it ideal for cleaning delicate camera sensors, lenses, computer components, and other sensitive electronics without the risk of static damage or leaving behind unwanted residues. Featuring an ergonomic, lightweight design, the Vizco Electronic Air Blower is easy to handle and offers precise control over airflow. And there you have it, the top 10 coolest home gadgets on Amazon that will totally level up your space. These gadgets not only make your life easier, but also a whole lot cooler. Which one's your favorite? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed the video. If you're new here, subscribe for more awesome tech reviews, and I'll catch you in the next one. Stay tech savvy, everyone.